Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts. Today I'll be showing you how to change the cabin air filter in this 2005 Toyota Matrix. A cabin air filter keeps the air you breathe inside your vehicle clean and is vehicle specific, which means the product, installation, and location of the filter will vary depending on what you're driving. In fact, some vehicles don't even have one. Today I'll be installing a MicroGuard filter. Every MicroGuard cabin air filter provides detailed installation instructions, and some of these filters come out of the box gray rather than white. So if you get a gray one, don't worry, it's perfectly clean and good to use. If you're not sure how often to change your cabin air filter, or if the filter you purchase doesn't include instructions, you should review the manufacturer's specifications for your vehicle. As always, if you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Here's what you'll do. Open your glove box and empty it out completely. Then locate this pin on the outside edge. Use your screwdriver to take the screw out. Then slip the pin out of the hole on this arm and put the screw someplace safe. Some vehicles will have a band holding the glove box in place that you'll need to release. Now, gently press in on both sides of your glove box and it will lower. This will expose what's behind it, including this black cover, which is where your cabin air filter is. Most vehicles with a filter behind the glove box will be accessed like this. Just be careful not to force the glove box down. There will be a limited amount of slack in the hinges. There are tabs on either side of this cover that are released by squeezing them inward. Once the cover is removed, pull the old filter out slowly. It's likely to be full of dust and dirt. Check the filter housing for excessive dirt or debris and vacuum it out if necessary. When you go to put the new filter in, check the airflow arrow on the edge to make sure you're getting it in place properly. Once it's seated securely, replace the cover and snap it into place. Lift your glove box back to its original position and secure it by sliding the pin back into the hole in the arm, or putting the band back in place. Then replace the screw. Close the glove box, and you're done. Everything you need to complete this job is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store, or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.